Hello! Today we're going to learn how to say thank you in Korean. There are many different ways to say thank you in Korean. We're going to teach one of the most common ways, which is 고맙습니다. Let's first practice the pronunciation of 고맙습니다. I'll say it 3 times. 고맙습니다. 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 Now it's your turn. Practice the phrase 3 times. 고맙습니다 is a fantastic phrase to use when you're thanking someone. Now let's see how 고맙습니다 is used in an everyday situation.
원피스 예뻐요.
고맙습니다.
Now it's your turn. Put yourself in the situation and practice the phrase once.
원피스 예뻐요.
Now that you know how to say thank you in Korean, get out there and start practicing. If you're interested in learning Korean in a fun and easy way, please visit us at 90daykorean.com.